morning, Puffins and Penguins. Today we are going to be skip counting in twos. We're going to be skip counting in twos using our 100 square, and we are going to be trying to spot a pattern. We are going to see, just like we did when we were counting in tens, we're going to see if we can spot a pattern on our 100 square, on our number grid, to see when we skip count in twos if we can spot a pattern. So if I'm skip counting in twos, that means I need to start from my number 2. That means I need to start from my number 2. So I'm going to look for number 2 on my 100 square. Oh, there it is, all the way at the top. After number 1, we have number 2. And if I'm skip counting in twos, that means I skip the next number and count afterwards. So I'm going to skip number 3 and splat number 4 because I'm skip counting in twos. So I'm going to count 1, 2 and then splat that one because I skip this one and then I splat this one. So 1, 2. Okay, let's have a look so far. Can you see a pattern? So it looks like I've missed every other number so far because I've skipped one and then I've splatted one. I've counted up 1, 2. It looks like I've missed every other number. Let's carry on with our pattern and see if we can notice anything. So after 10, I'm going to skip and then splat this one. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's have a look. Have we followed the same pattern? It looks like we've splatted every other number again. Let's go back and count all of the numbers we have splatted so far. Let's see, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Should we carry on? Should we carry on and see if our pattern continues? So after 20, we're going to count 1, 2, because we're still skipping 1 and splatting 2. Skip 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's keep going. So we're going to skip 31, 32, skip 1, 2, skip 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to keep going all the way up to 50. So after 40, we know we're going to skip 41, splat 42, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to stop there because I can see that all of the numbers that I am splatting are in the same columns. Just like when we had our tens all in the same column, all of the numbers that I am splatting are underneath each other in the same columns, and I am missing every other column of numbers. I wonder if you can spot anything else about the numbers that I have splatted. Let's count the numbers that I've splatted all the way up to 50. Ready? We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Wow! Give yourselves a pat on your back if you kept up with all of those numbers. See if you can spot any other patterns. If you notice anything else about the numbers that we have splatted when we skip count in twos. Have a go, Puffins and Penguins. You can use this to help you with your learning for this week. Can't wait to see what you get up to.